Hi, good day. This is Violeta Armual, and I am here to present to you a research proposal entitled with How Modern Technology Affecting College Student. Introduction. College and university easily adapt the new technology because before they already use technology, and now because of the pandemic that we encounter, we use online learnings. International. According to Kimball 2012, in USA, the way they gain information changed because of the online learning platforms. But it helps to those students because they don't need to go to school for their learning. National. According to Garcia 2018, in Manila, last 10 years ago, they use books for learnings. But now it changed to internet. And this is make the student easy to find the answers. Like unlike before, when the teacher give an assignment like research the word, and you need to find a book in library or dictionary to find the meaning of the word that given. But now, it's just like one click and you can find the answer. In locality, according to Gupita 2014, in Davao City, um, we have a hard time to adapt the new technology because of the availability of resources and training access, and administration support. And that's all. Thank you.